That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, are you girls excited?
Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Deb.
I'm Aria. I'm Abby. And I'm Anna.
And we are busy and blessed on a budget, and today we are headed to Sight and Sound's Esther.
I am so excited.
My sister-in-law and brother-in-law were really sweet and gifted it to the girls as their Christmas gift. We always swap names in both sides of the family, and we get for another family, and they wanted to give us an experience instead of just a gift per se. So this is an incredible gift. We've been to some of their presentations before at Sight and Sound, and it's absolutely amazing. So we are all super, super excited to go.
We're here.
Oh, right, yeah.
Last time we all were here was Joseph.
Do you remember?
Okay. Yes. Smells amazing.
So that's where I was letting people go out.
It's automatic.
See how usually there's the legs go down.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, are you girls excited?
For such a time as this, the world was meant to see us shine. He placed us in the night. Let there be love. Be still and know He is God.
You liked it? Yeah? What was your favorite part?
When she, in the beginning, and most of the sad part is when it ended. First one, hi.
Yes, go ahead.
Step like right here. You have more to take the picture.
Yeah.
Get to go out for dinner, and I really want to go to Chick-fil-A. I want to go to Cracker Barrel. Probably the part where King Xerxes met her and made her his queen, because she had this really pretty dress on, and it had like these golden stripes and this purple like a headpiece that goes down. But it was really pretty.
Yeah. Anna, what was your favorite part?
Chick-fil-A. That's me. What?
What was your favorite part of the play?
Esther's when she became queen.
What about you, Gracie?
The end and the beginning.
Yeah.
Mostly, I liked when she at the end was singing that song. It was when the snake went through the castle.
Yeah, that was kind of scary. What was your favorite part?
Oh. Especially my favorite part of the entire Bible story in Esther is when Haman has to leave Mordecai on the horse to all the time. Oh, and don't forget a single street.
Yeah.